Now what you'll be needing for the job is a trim piece tool and also a screwdriver. I usually like to push that mirror side all the way down, carefully get to the back, and I'll just pry, pop it off. And let's go ahead and move to the front. All right, now to get to the rear part of the mirror, I usually like to pry off from this corner. It just pops right out. Carefully remove that. There's also 2 screws right here. Now I wished I had these bulbs earlier, so when I replaced my sequential lights, I would have done this at the same time instead of having to remove this twice. That would have been nice. Now this part, it is a little bit tricky. You just want to remember how you're pulling this off. Everything is kind of clipped on at this point. So prying under here definitely helped getting this loose. And I want the front piece over here to remove, to unbuckle. There you go. You can wiggle the rest of the housing and it'll come off. And the bulb's actually underneath right here, so I'm going to go ahead and unscrew. I'll use my pliers counterclockwise. Now the bulb is loose. Pop off the bulb. I'll be replacing the stock with the Lasfit bulb. Pop it in. Okay, now that the bulb's back in there, you want to wiggle this back into place. I usually like to get the front part in first. When it's lined up, I'll work on the bottom. And then the back. Pop it in. And you want to get that in there. There you go. So once that's done, go ahead and screw the housing back on with the 2 screws that we removed earlier. Use a Phillips screwdriver. It's plastic, so make sure you guys don't over tighten. Really would hate to break these clips. The second to last piece is putting this back on here.